ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ poem ದುಡಿಮೆಯ ಗರಿಮೆ. Okay, so before starting with the lesson, I request you to watch the video for this poem which is already been done. I'll leave the link here. Please do check out the video first, then come to the exercise part. And also you can find all the lessons and poems of the 4th standard Savi Kannada which is already been done and updated in the playlist. I'll leave the playlist link here, or you can also find the link in the description box. Please do check out all the videos, all the videos for the poems and the lessons and exercises. So we'll start with today's exercise for the Dudimeya Garime from 4th standard Savi Kannada. Before starting, take out your textbook, pencil tagodi, eraser tagodi, sit in a quiet place. We'll start with the exercise. So Dudimeya Garime is the poem. So first we have a padagala artha. So while doing the poem itself, I have explained all the meanings for the words. If you still find there are few words which is being left out, please do let me know in the comment section so I can provide the meaning. So here I leave the padagala artha. We'll directly come to the abhyasa, which is question answers. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Answer in one sentence. ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದಿಂದ from the iron ತಯಾರಿಸುವ ಸಲಕರಣೆಗಳು ಯಾವುವು? Which are the instruments or the equipments that is being prepared from the iron? ಯಾವುವು? It is there in the poem itself. You have to just write the answer. And makla, please do remember, I'll explain the meaning of the questions. I'm not giving the answers here. Okay na? Fine. Well, next one. ಜನರನ್ನು ಸಲಹುವ ದಾತ ಯಾರು? So who is the one who is going to take care of the people? So data andre the kind of ಏನಂತಾರೆ, the odeya, the leader. Who is the one who actually takes care of the people? Jana, yaradu. Who is that? Data. Find the word data where it is in the poem, so you will find the answer. Next, ನೊಗವನ್ನು ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾಡುವರು? From which one the noga is being made? Find where is the noga, then you will find the answer. Noga is a equipment used for the agriculture. Yes. Next, ಮೀನನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಯುವರು? ಮೀನು is a fish, ಹಿಡಿ is a catch, ಹೇಗೆ is a how. How do they catch the fish? Next one, 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So answer in 2 to 3 sentence. Okay na? Next, what is the first question? The first question ಏನಿದೆ? ಬಳಗದ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಲೆಯುವವರು ಹೇಗೆ ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಳಗದ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಯನ್ನು, ಬಳಗ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ ದ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೊಲಿಯುವವರು ದ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಸ್ಟಿಚಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋತ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು? ಹೌ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರ್ನ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್? ಹೌ, ಹೇಗೆ? ಎಸ್. ನೇಗಿಲನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುವರು? ಹೌ ಡು ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ನೇಗಿಲು? ಹೌ ದ ನೇಗಿಲು ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದ ಆರಿಸಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ choose the select the right word. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪದ is a right word. ಆರಿಸಿ, select it. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Fill up the blank. ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕ, that means the worker. ಕತ್ತೆ is a donkey. ರೈತ is a farmer. ಬಲೆ is a net. ಮರ is a tree. So here it's very simple. You have to find the answer. I'll give the meaning. Okay. ಜನರನ್ನು ಸಲಹುವವನು, the one who takes care of the people. Dash. Who is that? ನೊಗ dash ಇಂದ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. So ನೊಗ is prepared from this dash. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಗಂಟನ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಹೊರುತ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಗಂಟು ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್? ಮೀನನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಳಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ದ ಫಿಶ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ಯೂಸ್? ಬಳಸು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಯೂಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪದ್ಯದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಖಾಲಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್. ಪದ್ಯದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಾಲು, ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪದ್ಯ. ಸಾಲು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಾಲು ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಬರೆದು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದವನ್ನು ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದ, ದ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಆಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಿ. Make a sentence using of a viruddharthaka pada using the opposite words. They have given the first one, dura hattira. Dura is a far, hattira is a near. So the sentence they have given, ನಾನು ಎಸೆದ ಕಲ್ಲು ದೂರ ಬಿದ್ದಿತು. The stone that I threw, it went very far. Next one, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರವಿದೆ. My house is very near to the school. That is what they have written here. Okay. Next one is ratri hagalu. Ratri is a night, hagalu is a morning. You have to frame the sentence. So you can just say, Iga Ratri 10 gante. Now it is night 10 p.m. Then you can say, I'll wake up early in the morning. Or you can also say, it's You can just give us simple sentences. Make sure you make a very simple sentences. Higgu kuggu. Higgu kuggu. What is the meaning of higgu kuggu? Higgu andre to become very proud of. Kuggu andre to get very depressed of something. Okay. Higga beda. Don't be very proud of something. Kugga beda. Don't be very depressed of something. So just extend these lines. Okay na? I'm just helping you to make a simple sentence. Sullu nija. Sullu is a lie. Nija is a truth. Don't lie. Say always truth. Try this one. It's very simple. Chikka dodda. Chikka is a small. Dodda is a big. There is a small tree. There is a big house. Try one. ಪ್ರಾಸಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಸಪದ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಪದ್ಯದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಮಾದರಿಯಂತೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಸಪದ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಸಪದ ಇಸ್ ರೈಮಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ಪದ so the word which identifies shows that work is being done, that means verbs. So which are the verbs in the sentences? The verb is called as a kriya pada in Kannada. Okay, so let me read and explain to you so that you have to find the verbs. Okay, ನೇಗಿಲ ಅಳತೆಗೆ ಕೊಯ್ಯುವೆನು. ಕೊಯ್ಯೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ to cut it. So which is the verb? ಕತ್ತೆಯ ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಿಸುವೆನು. I will place it. I will put it on the donkey's back. ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ಹಣವನ್ನು ಎಣಿಸುವೆನು. I will count the money in the evening. So you got the verbs alla? Write down the verbs. So here I will stop the exercise of ಯಾವುದು ದುಡಿಮೆಯ ಗರಿಮೆ. I hope you have understood the ದುಡಿಮೆಯ ಗರಿಮೆ exercise. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the exercise of ದುಡಿಮೆಯ ಗರಿಮೆ, and also make sure that you check out the playlist for 4th standard Savi Kannada for all the other poems, lessons and exercises. Thank you so much. Meet you all with one more video ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.